Hey guys, I'm gonna make this video pretty quick. So you're probably watching this because your VS Code feels kind of janky and you're probably using Wayland. You'll see what I mean. Is like if I'm typing and I do this stuff, like sometimes it just kind of kind of like flashes, or it feels kind of slow. And then also my cursor's not using the right cursor. Like if I go to any other window, it's using the cursor I want it to, but here it's using whatever this is. And to fix that is pretty simple. So open up a terminal and you can see I'm running on Wayland with Hyperland, and all you need to do to fix this is go into your .config directory and then touch codeflags.conf. And then you can open this up with codeflags.conf, and then it should open up here. And then all you need to do is copy these. So if you copy these and then paste them in, and this will mean that code or VS Code will always launch with these flags. So a lot of Electron apps have this, so you can use this for any other apps, not just VS Code. And now if we open up code again, it'll work. See, I'm using the right cursor and everything feels very smooth. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.